I'm willing to bet that you probably haven't put much thought into ever needing to create your own hand sanitizer. For the most part, you can find it anywhere, and it is usually pretty cheap and comes in a variety of different scents, colors, and styles. With everything that is going on in our world today regarding the coronavirus, there's a good chance that if you head into any of the stores where you would usually buy hand sanitizer, you'll see that the shelves are completely empty with little to no chance of getting any more anytime soon. If you're digging through your car and your purse and notice that you're either running low or that you may be completely out, there is no need to panic, as you can make your own hand sanitizer with a few items that you may have laying around your bathroom or with a quick trip to your local pharmacy. As you may be searching the internet, you will most likely see that there are two main formulas out there. In this video, we will be telling you how to make the hand sanitizer formula that is recommended by the World Health Organization. This formula is closer to a liquid than a gel, and it is a little harder on your hands, but as I mentioned, this is what is recommended by the World Health Organization and the Center for Disease Control. Check out our other video, which I will link in the description below, to learn how to make the other hand sanitizer, which will be more gentle on your skin and will closely resemble the look and feel of the store-bought hand sanitizers that you're most likely used to. But before we get started, can you do us a favor and smash that like button? We also ask that you subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. This way, you will be notified every time we release a new video about other natural home remedies and recipes. So, without any further ado, let's get started. One thing I want to point out before we dive into the recipe is understanding that simply squirting hand sanitizer on your hands is by no means a suitable substitute for washing your hands with warm water and soap for at least 20 seconds. Warm water and soap is obviously the preferred method. Alcohol-based hand sanitizers may be used in a pinch if you are getting gas, using a credit card pen pad, or if you just don't have soap and water near you. In this case, make sure you have at least 3 milliliters and rub it into your hands for at least 30 seconds. To get started, let's take a look at the tools and utensils that you will need to make this specific hand sanitizer. This formula will make about 3.5 cups, which is also about 28 to 30 ounces. You will need a clean and sanitized bowl or a container to mix your solution. You will need a measuring cup, also need measuring spoons, and of course you will need a whisk. You'll also need enough spray or spritz bottles to hold 28 to 30 ounces of hand sanitizing solution. Here are the ingredients that you will need to make this particular formula. You will need 1 cup of 99% isopropyl alcohol, or in other words, rubbing alcohol. The 90% might be a little harder to find, but it is definitely what's recommended to get the best results per the World Health Organization. You will also need 1 tablespoon of 3% hydrogen peroxide. You will need 1 teaspoon of 98% glycerin. We actually saw glycerin in the first aid section at Walmart, so it's definitely on the shelf. You probably just are not used to looking for it. You will also need 1/4 of a cup of sterile distilled or boiled cold water. All right, now here's how we put this formula together. First things first, you'll pour the rubbing alcohol into a medium-sized container with a pouring spout. Like we mentioned earlier, you need to make sure you're using 99% rubbing alcohol. If you try to use 91% or 70%, which is usually found at the dollar store, your formula will not comply with what the CDC and the WHO recommend to fight off COVID-19. Second step, you will add the hydrogen peroxide to the container. After that, we will add the glycerin in and give the formula a good stir and mix it all together. Since glycerin is thicker than alcohol and hydrogen peroxide, you will need to mix it up really well to get everything all mixed together and incorporated. For this, you can either use a clean and sanitized spoon, or if your mixture is in a container that has a lid, put the lid on and give it a good shake. Once that is nice and mixed up, you will need to measure out and pour in the water. Remember, make sure that you're using distilled water or cold water that has been boiled to ensure that it is extremely clean. And of course, before actually putting the sanitizer mixture into the bottle, make sure you sanitize the bottle. You want to make sure that it's extremely clean for the sanitizer that you put inside. If you have leftover extra alcohol, we recommend putting the alcohol in the bottles. A little bit more to the mixture is not going to hurt anything, and give them a good shake. Let them sit until the alcohol is evaporated, and then you can pour your sanitizer mixture into the bottle. Finally, you need to label your spray bottles to make sure that nobody ends up drinking it, wasting the bottle of hand sanitizer, or causing any accidents. You want to make sure it's clearly identified that this is hand sanitizer. Once the bottles are labeled, you are good to go and ready to go and kill some germs. If you'd like to learn more about some of the best home remedies for everything from simple colds and indigestion to making your own soaps and cleaners that can save tons of money, check out the links below to learn more. Also, if you found this video helpful, let us know by liking and sharing it with anyone that might be looking for a great at-home recipe for hand sanitizer. Liking and sharing definitely helps us get the word out about great ways to help you. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel as we're putting out 2 to 3 videos every week discussing all the proven home remedies and treatments. Thank you for watching our video. Stay safe, and as always, have a great day.